Life. They say the mystery of life, it is not a problem to solve, but a reality to experience. My reality to experience. So I am here to create my own reality, to shape my path, my experience, with the call of my own heart, to be bewildered by it, to live it in every way I can, to leave this body, to connect with myself, with others, with my inner voice, my inner guidance. I am here to discover the purpose of my journey, this life. I'm here to build and live my own reality, and to invite others to be part of it, to grow and learn and experience all of it in every way we can, together. To connect with this earth that is our body, to connect with the air that is our breath, to connect with the waters that are our blood, and to connect with the fire that is my spirit, that is your spirit, that is our spirit. I invite you to jump en lo desconocido, to trust in this life, in this experience, en ti, en tu fuerza.